Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how can we create a 3D curved image slider using Elementor for free. So let me show you the demo. So here you can see I am only using the Elementor plugin, not Elementor Pro. So let me show you the demo. Here you can see how can we make this kind of 3D slider curved images using Elementor. So I will just use a code so we can then slide the images like this. So let me show you how can we do that step by step. So just create a new page and click on edit with Elementor. After that click on plus icon, then flexbox, and after that choose a container. So I will choose this one here. In here I will make the content width here full width. Here you can see. And after that, I will just go to my advanced settings here. In here, I will just give it a padding 40 from top and 40 from bottom. Here you can see. And after that, I will go to the style tab here. I will go to the background tab. In here, I will just choose an image here. So let me choose an image. Let me scroll down. Let me find the image. So I will make it same as it is as I showed you the demo. So I need to find the exact image. So here is my image. I will just select this image. And after that in position, I will make it center. Default, I will make it no repeat. And display size, I will make it cover. So here you can see the image. And after that, I will just go back to my widget section here. And here I will just find adding. I will just drag and drop the adding here. In here, I will just name it 3D slider. Here you can see, I will go to the style tab. Text color, I will make it white. Typography, I will just make it here. I will just make the size here 150. Here you can see. And I will make it center. Typography, I will make the transform into uppercase here. And I will change the typography into some like Helvetica. So here you can see. And after that, I will just go back to my widget section again. I will just drag and drop a container after this adding. So now, and then I will make the content width here full width as well. So let me show you the structure here, container, adding, then again container. In here, I will go back to my widget section. Here, I will search for a gallery. So here, I will just insert a basic gallery. This one, I will just drag and drop it inside of this container. Here you can see. In here, I will make the image resolution full. Columns, I will keep it as it is. And then I will just go back and select the images. I will select these images. Let me select the images. And I will click on create new gallery, insert gallery. So here you can see these are the images. And after that, I will just click on this container here. And here I will make the minimum height here. Let me just make it VH and I will make it 100 VH here. So you can see the images here. In here, I will just go back to my widget section again and search for HTML widget. I will just drag and drop the HTML widget here. So make sure the HTML widget inside of this container, the internal container. Here you can see. And then I will just copy my code and I will paste it inside of the HTML. So here you can see, I will paste the code. And then I will just copy this class, learn with me curved slider. I will copy this code. And then I will go to this container here, this container. I will go to the advanced. And here I will just insert it into CSS classes. So I will just rename this container. Let me make it gallery. Make sure to insert the class inside of this gallery container. So this is our main container. This is gallery container and this is basic gallery inside of this container. And after that, let me just click on publish and let me preview it. So now you can see these images, behind the images, they are showing as well. So what can we do? So I will just click on this gallery here. I will go to the advanced section. In here, I will go to the responsiveness. I will just hide it. Let me just hide it. And let me go back here. So now you can see the images are moving from right to left, the curved images. So here you can see, but you can see we have a lot of space here. So let me just go back here again. In here, I will just click on adding, this heading, and then I will go to the advanced settings. In here, I will just go here into the diff position. I will make it absolute. So here you can see, and I will make it something like here. Let me just make it into percentage. So I will just make it something like 30, or let me just make it 27. And offset, I will just make this one as well percent. Let me just move it 20% here, and let me just click on publish and let me preview it. So now you can see it's just bending with the images. So let me just go back and let me just move it a little bit. Let me just make it 15 here. Let me click on publish. And now you can see it's looking same as it is with this one that I showed you here, 3D slider. If you want to change the direction from right to left or left to right, so let me show you that as well. So let me just go to the HTML here and just scroll down. In here, you can see the line here, the direction here in 64 here. So if you want, it's -1. So if you make it 1 and then click on publish and then preview it, so now you will see the direction is changed. It's moving left to right here. And here you can see the images gap speed. So if you want to make it 50, something like this, let me show you that as well. So now you can see they are moving fast. And if you want to change the images gap here, so for example, if you want to make it 40, let me show you that as well. Here you can see the gaps. So I will just keep it 10 as it is. In here, let me show you the tablet view. So here you can see the tablet view is not looking good. Let me just go to the style tab and let me make the typography here. Let me just make it something 90 here. And here, let me just go to the advanced section. And here, let me move the offset here 16. And let me just make it 16 here as well. Publish. Let me go to the mobile view as well. And here you can see it's not looking good as well. And here I will make the offset. Let me just change the typography. Let me just make it something like 50. And let me go to the advanced section. Absolute. Let me just make it here 8. Or let me just make it 12. And let me just keep it as it is. Let me publish it and let me preview it. So let me show you the mobile view. So here you can see we have a lot of spaces here. If you want to remove the space, so let me go to the mobile section here. And here, let me go to the content. Let me just click on basic gallery in this gallery and layout. And here you can make the minimum height here something like 50. And let me click on publish. And let me go back here. So now you can see here, slider, you can see the spaces are little bit and the slider is not in the middle. So you can just go to the typography, adding, and then just change it little bit into the offset here. Just make it something like right. and then click on publish and let me preview it. So now you can see it's in center. That's how you can make this kind of curved slider. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.